So yeah, okay. So we're here at Luca's place, and it's my first time going out of South Melbourne. That's a fact. So if you saw my reels and content online, it's always like Shrine of Remembrance, Botanic Garden. I'm grateful that Luca will cook for us today, and let's see, because I really love food. You know that's Cracky East. This is Cracky East, yeah?
Grandmother's ham, or if you want to call it as an Italian, prosciutto.
Oh, this is prosciutto.
Prosciutto cotto.
Prosciutto cotto. Man, I'm excited.
Me too. It's the first time that I cooked this thing. Classic.
Okay.
Okay, it was 74. It was
Yeah.
74. So I need to put 26 more.
Yeah. So, guys, disclaimer: we are not like professional, high-grade chef, so don't judge us.
He loves to eat. I love to cook
Yeah.
and eat as well.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today.
Okay, so water. 500 milligrams of water.
Look at that. He's so busy.
Perfect. Half a liter of water. Simple water.
So we have sugar, salt,
We have
water.
100 grams of sugar, 20 grams of salt, 500 milliliters of water. This is fresh yeast, but I need half of this. And I'm gonna need the whole kilogram of flour. I couldn't find the one that I wanted to find, but this is fine because it says it's for bread and pizza, because I need something that can stretch, because it needs to be elastic, you know. So this is fine. Ooh, it's quiet, it's sunny around.
I like the vibe as well.
Yes, it's green, there's a lot of plants.
Yeah. Carefully measuring everything, because in baking you need to be intricate with the measurement. Don't want to mess up.
Everything will make sense at the
Yeah.
end. And that's
This
for the rest.
is for the topping.
Yes. And this is a snack for us. So actually, I'm excited for that.
This is pistachio.
It's yeah, it's an Italian cookie. I destroyed it. It's like a pistachio here inside. Bayocchi, really old classic one.
So you don't drink like long black or
No.
flat white? Sometimes.
Flat white is okay. Flat white or latte. I like the feeling of the foam. If I have to drink something without milk, espresso. Like usually I have this shot of espresso.
One shot or two shots?
If it's morning and I'm really tired, 2 shots. Otherwise, just one. Usually I go for one. Because I get excited too much. Like my heartbeat and my brain.
So Luca is looking for the recipe on a bigger screen.
No, don't. This is not part of the blog. This is supposed to be the final result. Something like
Wow. Wow.
this. Something like so.
I'm excited. So let's see.
And
This is the expectation, guys.
This is the expectation. That's my favorite.
Oh yeah.
But unfortunately, I couldn't find these because this is like Wurstel.
Yeah, yeah.
But here you can find mostly sausages.
Yeah.
So we'll try to make this, but with the feeling of prosciutto and mozzarella.
Okay.
It's not the same, but
Yeah,
I mean, yeah.
Your own version of it.
I don't know why I did that, because I could just break this, but
Yeah.
Feeling creative. So this is supposed to be 50. Let's check. Fresh yeast. I need just 25 grams. Flour, as I was telling before, just pizza and bread flour because it needs to be elastic, needs to stretch. Some butter. Unfortunately, I couldn't find what I wanted to find. This is Australian. I wanted to find some lard, but it was really hard to find, so butter is fine as well. 20 grams of salt, 100 grams of sugar, 500 milliliters of water. This is gonna be for to make the bread for our rosticceria. Then this is gonna be the filling, so mozzarella and prosciutto. This is gonna go a little bit off on top. This is the Italian tomato sauce. And I'm gonna use the egg just to give a little bit of golden touch to the external part on top, and the sesame seed a little bit on top as well to give another taste on the mouth. So it's gonna be crunchy, kind of liquid for the mozzarella, so like, don't want to say gummy, but that taste, and the sesame seeds, so you have at least three fillings in your mouth. First, we are gonna just let the yeast melt in the water here.
So professional.
You want me to see professional? I should use something like that. But no, I don't have the knife. Oh my god, how's it called? You know, beer is made from one ingredient.
Yeah.
I know in Italian, I don't know in English. It's called, in Italian it's luppolo, but I don't know in English. It's crazy. Because I will mix it later on, a little bit more. These little tools in the house. So violent.
100 grams of butter.
100 grams. It's supposed to be lard, as I was telling, which gives that fatty and kind of a salty touch
Yeah.
to everything. Boom, there you go. Okay, get rid of this. And let's work together these two. Looks like mango gelato. Even though, no, don't try this at home. This is butter.
I even want to taste it now.
Yeah?
But it's just pure butter and sugar.
Not bad. It's not bad. So now, second part here is gonna be just adding water and the yeast to what we have now. But I will need a good friend of mine, which is this. And let's go. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a professional.
Yeah, we're professional, guys. In our head.
Yeah.
We're not pro. Look at that.
Yeah, two hands.
Two hands
know.
working, being productive.
Look at that. Una scommessa d'amore. Non ho mai visto nascere una dea, non lo sa. Dense. Still tastes strong. And now, after a while, we have this density here. We still need a little bit more, of course. It needs to be really thick.
This is the whole process. This is the real process of making a bread.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to dirty. When you say you need to make your hands dirty,
You just need to work on it.
this is exactly what it means.
Yeah.
Hands dirty.
Luca doing all the work now.
Luca doing a massage. This is like the cat move.
Yeah. That's what I got when I'm making a flatbread last time.
Yeah.
It's really
I
weird.
wonder
weird feeling.
how I should get rid of all of this now.
That's stretchy.
Okay.
I'll help out Luca already. Texture of this flour is different.
Yeah, it's for bread and pizza. It's different. It's not just 0 or zero flour.
Yeah, yeah.
Necessary. And don't worry, my hands were clean.
Yeah.
So now we need to create kind of a bowl. We need to work this until it becomes a little bowl. Well. Yeah, I'm starting to understand how is this thing. So,
It's so funny because this is like me when I was like kneading the flatbread.
yeah. But this is what kitchen is about also. It's playing.
Yeah.
Just playing. We were right on the big disclaimer at the beginning. Not professionals. Because basically the flour that I use now is supposed to be just
250.
250, so a little bit of the total. And the majority needed to be this because this it's not supposed to be
So much.
so like
Stretchy.
yeah, so sticky. you know.
Yeah.
So we will try to fix it as much as we can.
Yeah. And let's see at the end.
The taste is gonna be amazing anyway. It's just doesn't feel right.
Yeah. My wife, if you're watching
Yeah,
this.
look at that, look at that.
Yeah.
Now it's yeah, no, enough.
Enough already,
Look at
yeah?
that, look at that.
Wife, if you're watching this, I've made the same mistake, right?
We love you. He loves you more.
But yeah,
Yeah, look at that now. That's
cooking
perfect.
is so much fun when this kind of things happen.
Okay, and now we let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. Now we will wait for this little baby to grow up for 2/3 hours. So we will let it rest, use some cling wrap and let it rest. Now I am just preparing this because I'm gonna create
Ooh.
little balls with that, roughly 100 maximum grams each, and they need to rest for another hour-ish, and then we're gonna build up our final product. So now,
Look at this. How big this dough has become. Ooh, guys, it really smells like bread. Smells good.
and now I need to create the little balls. So I'm gonna call a new friend.
What friend?
His friend.
Oh, that's a nice friend. It will make your life easier.
Like a little spatula, and have a look on the shape of this thing. Wait, no.
Yeah.
88. 99. Shit.
Yep.
98. 98, 99. No, 99. Oh, 100. No, still, it's changing. It doesn't know, but yeah, I can be satisfied.
Oh, that looks good.
So these little balls need to wait another hour, and then we are gonna create the final product. So we need to fill with those ingredients there and put it in the oven for 15 minutes to 220 degrees, I believe. We're gonna check. Say maybe, you gotta be the one that saves me, saves me. Okay, now it's time to build our little babies. So first of all, I'm just gonna break this thing here, and I'm just gonna save the yolk, just to give a little bit of gold color. Oh,
Sorry.
gold color. So just like that, it's enough. That's enough.
So professional.
Yeah, this is the only one thing that I know how to do. And now we are also going to cut the mozzarella. Just cut it in little pieces. Yeah, small pieces, like so. So after this, we are gonna create rollo con wurstel, pizzetta, and the calzone al forno. It's called like that. So we're gonna have mozzarella and prosciutto in the calzone al forno and in the rollo con wurstel, and then with the pizzetta, classic kind of a small pizza, just this tomato sauce here, a little bit of sesame on top, and yeah, a little slice of mozzarella. But see you later for the final result. Ready.
Let's see what Luca's reaction is.
Wow, it's a bit burned, but let's taste it first.
Did we succeed?
We'll figure it out. We're gonna open that and show you.
Okay, so here we are. We'll test, taste this. Yeah. See,
Oh,
see.
wait, it's so hot.
Your verdict.
I need to try it first, but I tried the bread. I like the bread. Of course, we need to improve. As we said at the beginning, we are not professionals, but let us know if you want us to make more videos like this with, yes, so like with bloopers and stuff like that behind the cameras. Give us some feedbacks and see you at the next video. Love it.